Here we have a 2023 Hilux dual cab SR model fitted in water resistant canvas. As you can see, the center console top is covered as a free bonus. Access to the height adjustment on the driver's side. Tilt lever access on driver and passenger front seats. Separate headrest in the front pair. Airbag allowance on the door sides of the backrest. And in the rear seat we have 3 separate headrests. ISOFIX points in the middle of the seats are still accessible. Bases still split fold vertically, and also on the bases underneath the seat is covered in canvas as well on both the 40 and the 60 side. And finally, armrest with the drink holder is still functional and accessible.